whenever I travel pato diri sa Roca. Ano ko, Lord, asa ko magkuha ng mga kwarta ni. But thank you so much. God touched hearts, and through your support, He made it possible. My recital was successful, and thank you for all of you. And I thank everyone who helped me financially and in prayer. Thank you so much, and may God bless you abundantly. To our CFC choir, thank you for the bottom of my heart, for your commitment, and sa inyong skills nga pagkanta, sa uban nga makabalo kanta o nota. I'm so very blessed nga naa mo sa choir. So to Pastor and Pastor Okay, grabe ka nila ang pagluto, pagkaon, pag-amping sa kadiri nga dili pwede magutman, dili mo ka mo na nanambukit. Nanambukit ko dili magpapayat na lang yung tabalik ani. Jing, salamat Jing. Salamat Jing, and to the young professionals who welcome me warmly. I'm so grateful to all of you. Sa PAU team, thank you for the bonding moments and all the learnings. And I hope you will continue to grow in your worship and hunger for deeper understanding kung sa budget ang pagpangalagad sa Ginoo. To our CFC family, thank you. Thank you so much everyone.